Hello and welcome. Keeping your home psychically clear and safe is very important. It helps to create healthy boundaries and psychic protection, which enables you to easily and effortlessly dream, sleep, heal, and ascend. So if you're feeling that you need to clear your home, if you're not sleeping well, if you've had a lot of trauma or issues where you live, try this. This can be used also to clear any other place in which you are staying temporarily, such as a motel or someone's home you're visiting. An important function of healthy boundaries is separation from the lower, darker energy astral planes. When you fall asleep at night, you leave your physical body via astral traveling, where you transcend beyond time and space to other realms. They can be either higher vibrational dimensions or lower vibrational dimensions, depending on where your energy is at the time you are sleeping. Healthy boundaries when you are asleep are essential to healthy boundaries while you are awake. Like frequency is attracted to like frequency. Therefore, it is vital that your home, as well as your aura, be clear of negative lower vibrational energies. And here is how to do it. Before bed, or any time you remember, place a grounding cord of light through your entire house or apartment at the floor level. Do this by envisioning the building and see a beautiful cord extending from the bottom of the structure, with these cords of light protruding down into the center of the Earth's core. Then you visualize a golden sun about 2 feet in diameter in the center of your home. As you gently and gradually see this sunlight expanding, getting brighter and fuller, as you allow this light to expand through your entire home and surround the outside of the building. And once you have this ball of golden energy around your home, surround it now with a thick wall of violet light. Speak out loud or to yourself. This ball of violet light will remain intact until I do this process again. So be it. In the name of the I am that I am, I command that this home and ground is filled with golden light from the City of Light, where the Ascended Masters dwell. Only that which is divine may enter. All that is less than divine must leave now. This will remain so be it. The phrase I am that I am is the same as saying the divine God or goddess in me. Using this process will clear your home in a very short time, allowing you to sleep better, rise higher, and have more healing and uplifting experiences. You can repeat this process about 2 times a week for 3 weeks to restructure the energy. After that, do it once a week for routine to keep your vibes high. Before going to sleep at night, surround your aura with a violet bubble. Ask your guardian angel to watch over you and keep your body safe all night while you sleep. state the affirmations. In the name of the I am that I am, I command that while my body sleeps, I will travel only to the higher planes of divine light. So be it. Comment and let me know how your night's rest was. Did you not only sleep better, but did you also awaken in a higher vibrational, more enlightened train of thought? Don't forget to like and share and follow, and please reach out with any questions or if you would like some individual healing sessions tailored specifically for you. Reach out to me at any time, oceanhypnosis.net or oceanhypnosis@gmail.com. Thank you for listening and keep those vibes high. Bye.